Hey, welcome to Big Ron's Hobbies. Today we're going to repair my 8-year-old solar pool heater. I got a tube leaking. We're going to block that tube off. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's a quick and easy fix. Stick around. Okay, so we're going to find out which tube's leaking. We're going to take a razor knife. We're going to cut that tube. We're going to install a number 8 by 1/2 inch long sheet metal screw. We're going to go down the other end of the solar heater. We're going to find that tube. We're going to do the same on it. We're going to cut it, put a screw in it. Simple, quick and easy. Let's get it done. Hey, so there you go. There's your quick fix on your leaking solar pool heater. Just splice your tube, put your screw in it, do it on both ends. Mine's got 6 in it. It's 8 years old. I think we get a few more years out of it. Don't throw it away. Fix it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, Big Ron's Hobbies. We'll see you on the next one.